I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm putting the finishing touches on my Blythe wig for the Cruella Collab Challenge contest that Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley and I are doing, that is coming up September 7th. The collab is, she and I are hosting. The challenge is, we are hoping that many of you will do a video on your own channels of your Cruella doll. Maybe you will just dress a doll like Cruella. Maybe you'll get adventurous and try some hair rerouting or wigging. Maybe you already have a Cruella doll that you would like to show and highlight on your channel. Tammy and I have challenged one another to a contest, and we will one more time on September 7th ask you to come to our channels and vote on each of our Cruella dolls, 1 through 10, 10 being the highest. We really are having such a good time with these challenge and contests, we can't tell you. I sure hope you'll join in. Again, that's September 7th. The hashtag, so that you show up in the file box or whatever we're calling that, is Cruella as a Dolly. And that will help your video get more views, because those of us that are doing the videos will go there so that we can see all of the others. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thanks, Tammy, for keeping me on my toes, pushing me harder to do better, and challenging me with these character dolls. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.